What's going on, guys? MOUNTRAX has done an awesome job with this foot massager. Let's get into all the details here. So first off, I really like this nice sleek design that it's got. Really slim box here. You can stick that right into a cabinet. That's where we keep ours. Now you do have the ability of controlling this all from the front panel here. But one of my favorite things about this is the wireless remote that comes with this. You can change all the different settings, turn it on and off. So now I just want to get into this and kind of try to describe how this feels on my feet. So sliding the dogs right into the foot massager here. Now I am a size 11. This thing can fit a much bigger size. You can see I've got my feet slid up all the way there, and you can see there's another probably solid 3 inches there. So if you've got a bigger foot, that definitely is going to work. My wife is also a 5.5 in women's, and this thing works really well for her. So let's go ahead, kick this thing on here. While this thing is massaging, it massages all the way from heel to toe. On the heel, it's got kind of like a pokey pins and needles kind of light massage. And then once you get into the mid heel, it's where kind of the more intense massage can happen, especially if you've got it on full compression and full speed. It's almost like there is like 2 or 3 big balls in there that are rotating clockwise and counterclockwise, and it feels amazing. And then moving up to the toes, you've got some smaller little balls that kind of rotate clockwise and counterclockwise, again just kind of hitting the entire foot. You can adjust the kneading to 3 different settings, from a low knead to a medium or a high. Now when doing the kneading process on this, it doesn't necessarily change how hard it's being pressed, but rather how fast everything is going. And then there is also a compression setting, so I'll go ahead, it's currently on low. I like really high compression, and with the higher compression it almost feels like the kneading gets a little bit more intense as well, so that is something that I really like. And if you wanted to, really cool thing about this, you can turn off the compression, you can turn off the kneading, you can go just compression or just kneading alone. And then you've also got a heat function here, so it's got a nice kind of mild heat in there just to keep it nice and comfortable on the feet. This thing is awesome. Now my favorite thing about this is definitely the compressive aspect of this. It feels so amazing, and it will compress and kind of let off the air, compress, kind of slowly let off the air, and then sometimes it will compress even more and push even harder. So I've been dealing with plantar fasciitis on the inside of my foot here for a couple of months now, and I've tried different massage guns, different self-massage, other kind of massage tools as well, and it hasn't really done much for me. This thing, after about 2-3 days of using this, my pain has subsided quite a bit. So I owe that all to the MOUNTRAX massager. High quality brand, great quality price. Be sure to check this thing out. It is a game changer, especially for those days when you're on your feet a lot, having to walk a lot. Maybe you're on your feet for work. This thing is going to make all the difference. So highly recommend checking this out by MOUNTRAX. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good one.